Hey Taco fam, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in today. So in today's video, as you can see, that I'll be doing an upcycling video, which is something that I haven't done in a long time. So in this video, I'll be making this shirt. As you can see, I've decided to show you beforehand. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into today's video. You'll be surprised to hear that this was a pleated skirt that I just ironed it out so that I can work with it easily and make it longer. So I'm going to start with the arms. So for measurements, what I did is I measured my upper arm right under my armpits, and then the measurement that I got there, I added 2 inches so that it could be like a balloon like sleeves, because I want them to be like big, so yeah, that's what I did. And below, like around the wrist, you can just make it as big as you want, because I want the balloon effect. So I'm going to start with the cutting out of every single part of this top. And with that said, I'm going to start up with the arms because I feel like that needs a lot of fabric, and working with limited fabric, you know that you cannot mess it up. So I'm going to start with like the part that needs more fabric, and then oh, got me so in love with the summer days. Oh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine. This is the initial sketch that I did. So I want something like this, and I had to sketch it out so that I can see the measurements, because like with like sewing, most of the time it goes to measuring and cutting out, and then after that it's like simple. So I wanted to like separate all the parts and then do them separately and do all the measurements at once. So as you can see that all those measurements, I'm going to use them, and I'm going to start cutting the fabrics. Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. the ice cream container, I only have it there to make the fabric not move and make it easy for myself to cut. And after you're done with all the cutting, you must have 2 sleeves, 2 front pieces, and 1 back. Oh, and you must also have 2 straps that you can use to tie at the back, but then I'm going to show you that. Now we're going to be moving on to hemming the front 2 pieces and the back, and then after that you can just like connect those 3 pieces together, and then it just leaves, and then we'll see it.
Got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on feet. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open bottles on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so free. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat.
So now with the band, you want to measure it in your forearm. Make sure that it's not too tight, but then it's not too loose that it goes like all the way down to your wrist.
Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
So with the band, when you see, you just want like stretch it, and then like put the fabric around it, and then do the zigzag around the fabric as well, as you can see how I do it.
'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh,
After attaching the sleeves to the rest of the top, I realized that around the shoulders it was way too loose. It kept on going down, so I decided to add a band as well there, and I'm glad about that decision because it looks so nice. After like I did that, it's in place, it's not going anywhere. And with that said, it's time for the reveal.
You can.
'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibe.
And if you did enjoy the video, please do like and comment on what else I should try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.